Okay, so to get started with Photoshop Halftone, drag in the image, click on the image and then go to adjustments. If you don't have this, then go under to window, enable adjustments. Okay, so the first step is if you can't have access to this after you've gone to adjustments as well, make sure you go to the image mode and then change if you're on 32-bit, because change this to 8-bit and RGB color. And if you can't also adjust it, make sure you right click your image and then click rasterize. Go to image, adjustments, and then desaturate, and now click adjustments. We'll add a levels, and then right here make sure it's 0, 1.25, and then this stays the same. Go back to adjustments, add a curves, and then scroll down here, and then the bottom right, click a point in the middle, it goes down to where it's at right here, makes it darker. Go up, and then the bottom top right, click in the middle and drag that like that so it creates a point. See, go back to adjustments and add a brightness and contrast, make that 80, make that 50. Back to adjustments, locate where it says exposure right here, click that, make this 0.1 and then a negative 0.1. Here you have an image like that. Again, you can mess around with this if this is too dark for you. You don't have to offset it. You can even make it more exposed like that. Okay, the next part here, the cool part is to go under the filter. Make sure that that's still selected. If it is filter gallery, or just to add a green. I already have it added right here, but if you don't find it, and under texture, it's green right here. You can mess with the intensity, how intense it is. So keep it, let's say at like 60. And then contrast, say like 80, so like 60. Reticulation. Now see how it didn't add? You actually have to go down here and click add effect new layer. Add your grain, make sure there's grain. Again, same setting, 60-50. Reticulation, go back. Add, and then under sketch, click right here, halftone pattern. Okay, and this is the halftone pattern right here. You can adjust it. You can make it more contrasty. See, it adds more of a punch. The more that I drag it like this, and then the size comes like this. I'll have it, let's say like 5, and then contrast around like 40, and then click OK. So as you can see, it kind of added a halftone, but it's not super noticeable when we zoom in. Okay, so if you're not satisfied with this, go down under here, this, and click gradient map, and it's going to change it into this. If you don't have it, it's under this right here. Okay, and then go back to filter gallery, and basically just add the same settings that we had before. It should already be here, and click OK. And now it adds it on. And then go under to here under layers, and we can do overlay. We can add color dodge, but in this case, we'll do overlay. Or it's really up to you at this point. You can change it however you want. We'll do overlay, and see now how it's a little bit more apparent. So this is the before, and this is the after. Check out the playlist for more videos like this and subscribe to the channel. Bye-bye.